Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, really do appreciate it. Alright, so in today's video, something a little bit different again, but we're inside of Cinema 4D. I'm not going to be showing you an in-depth tutorial on how I did this, but I will in the next video. But all I'm going to show you really is an animation that I made the other day. I wanted to do it for Halloween, though I missed it, but over the past 4 days it took me to make it. But just to quickly show you guys now inside the software. So basically I've got some characters here. I've set up a scene, we've got a stage, and we've got a multiple set of cameras here. As you can see, we'll just go through the timeline. We've got the different camera angles, got the actors doing a little dance routine, the thriller dance, it's in sections. There's 4 parts to this routine, so this one's part 2 I believe, but I saved each scene. So if we go to open desktop, so we've got part 2, 3 and 4. We'll go with part 3. There we go. We can set up multiple cameras. So if we quickly just render this section out, you'll see what the quality will look like when I show you guys the video. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Alright, so where I got these characters from, the place called Mixamo.com. So got all kinds of animations on here. It's all free to use. So you literally just pick your character. When it loads it. It'll load its textures in soon, but you've got your character. Go over to animations and literally just type in thriller, and it's got all 4 parts to the dance routine. And it's so cool. To achieve this, it actually took me 4 days in between work and sleep. Render times took between 4 to 6 hours. But yeah, basically you pick your animation and you click download. I chose 60 frames, so that's why it took longer to render, because obviously there's more frames to render. If I'd have done 30, it would have took a lot less time. But it's all good. Whoops. I've skipped ahead a few there. Okay, before I guys show you the video, we are 595 subscribers, so just 5 more to go. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button now, would really appreciate it. Thank you. Right, so just to quickly show you again, this is just another rendered picture from the animation. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up talking now and just show you guys the video. Alright, so what did you guys think? Pretty cool, right? So yeah, I mean, nothing too amazing, but the effect is there. It looked really, really good, and it worked out very well. But I love doing stuff like this, little animations. I've been learning Cinema 4D for quite some time now, but that's probably the best I can actually do. And it was all given to me really online. Everything was free, like with the animations and the characters. Sadly, I can't create my own characters or animations, which would be pretty cool. But yeah, I just once it's all there set up for me, I like to just create the scene. Obviously, put in the cameras and the lighting and whatnot. I'm good at that sort of stuff. But yeah, that's all I've got time for today, guys, in this video. But hope you enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, once again, subscribe and hit me reach 600 subs. That'd be really awesome if you guys could do that. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Bye bye for now.